So I've just come out of our metrics workshop, which is one of my favorite Mind the Product workshops to teach. I love it because it has really specific exercises about the thing that is difficult about using metrics in your organization. And it also really balances kind of the qualitative, insight-driven approach to product management with the quantitative approach that metrics enables. It's not one side or the other, it's how to bring those things together.
It's really interesting. We're trying to help people align on the one metric that matters, create the right culture in their company.
Half the people have run really large-scale A/B tests. They've worked in organizations that have incredibly useful data. So it's so great both to hear them tell stories about how they use data and also talk about how it's hard, even if you work in a place that has amazing data to use.
Yeah, one of the great things about the classes is the co-trainers, the people I work with have always been fantastic. We've always got really different backgrounds and bring totally different things to the class, and I learn a ton from them. I also learn a ton from the students. They always have really interesting takes on stuff. Sometimes it's just the way they ask questions. A lot of times it's their own lived experience.
I think the one thing that I'm taking away from today is how to build and structure experiments better and how we can make those experiments react against business goals. It's really valuable. There's a lot of practical information you can take away and you can take back into your business and make a lot of things better.
It's not a how do you do metrics. It's not a very specific on implementation because there's a lot of places you can go to learn the techniques. The thing that's much harder is creating the alignment and making metrics useful. A metric is just a number. Getting alignment, getting cooperation, and getting companies to work together, that's hard. Making metrics work for you, that's something really special when it works right.